It's your boy Kaiser, back with another unboxing video. Another trainers for you guys. That's for you guys, man. Got the white socks on deck, because you know, we've got to try them on with white socks. Like, sometimes white socks just bangs in it with trainers, so yeah, you got to put the white socks on. So yeah. Got this bad boy, the Techno. Now, one thing I must say is, first look at this trainers ain't paying. I don't even like the look from the sides, really, but the look from the top, though. The top look, this look right here, this when your trousers covering this, yo, I like it. Let me just tell you that much, I like it, man. Yeah, so it's right here, tongue. It's got like, it's doing a lot, isn't it? It's doing a lot, big zigzags, big cuts, all this extra stuff, like. Doing a lot, I can't lie. It's got like a little bluish, navy blue, deep blue, whatever you gonna call that blue over there. But yeah, man, nice leather. Kind of been wanting the leather trainers for a while. Like I said in my last vid, I'm obsessed with. Hey, what the fuck? You see that, man? There's some glue sticking out of this. Hey, Nike, do the right thing, man. Take up the glues. But yeah, man, like I said in my last unboxing video, there's something about my past trainers. They're all about suede, like, and I'm just addicted. But yeah, so I thought I should try and get trainers with leather. It's a big trainers, but obviously it's not, because, like, you know, I wear my size. I've got small feet still. Size 7.5, size 8 sometimes, depending on what trainers. But I'll try this on for you guys, and we'll see how it goes. Oh my day, that top view that I'm telling you about. Yo, this trainer is yo. I went to the stores before buying this. But yeah, man, that top view, bro. Like, from here, it's just a peng trainers. It's peng. Peng. Like, yo, pre that real quick. Like, then from the sides, I'm not too sure about it. Side, I'm not too sure. On foot, yeah, the one thing I closed, that once the train is on your foot, yeah, it's a different story, innit? It looks different. But again, like I say, I'm lucky with the way I walk, yeah. I don't really get creases like that. So, you know, it means I can maintain this bad boy for a long time. But yeah, man, there's a view from the back, view from the front, the insides, outsides, crisscross. Hey, let me take it easy, but still, it's nice, man, it's nice. It's nice from this angle right here on my foot. It's driving me nuts. I'm just happy. But then when I take it off and I look at the trainers as a whole, it's just not the same. It's not giving the same vibe. But hey, try on the usual black trousers for now, and we'll see how this goes. Be right back.
Putting on my black trousers. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they like to call it over here. Joggers. I'll tell you something. I ain't going jogging in this. God damn it. But yeah. Black and white on black and white. It's crime. I don't know why I said that, just ignore me. But yeah, man, that's what I'm talking about. I don't know why again. I love trainers with that little tab at the back. I love it. Loving it. But yeah, man. With the trouser, so I was looking. See if I can change the camera angle for you guys. Get you guys a more. Right. So I was looking with the trousers on. It's nice. It's a nice trainer still. But this top view though. This view right here. It drives me nuts. It's just too good, it's too plain. This is the view I'm going for, man. That's why I even got it. But, hey, if you like it, you like it. And I like the fact that it's all leather as well. Now, well, that's a lie. Like, it's not all leather, but most of this part is leather, right? And if you're walking in the rain, I think you're protected. But then you've got like soft material, like it feels kind of velvety. Not velvet, but, you know, it's got like a nice little Nike logo at the front, so people know what you're rocking. Even if they can't tell from the rest, because everything, the Nike logos are kind of discreet. You know, they're discreeted. 1, 2. Tick, tick. Correct again. You're correct here, correct there. Come on now. Get right. Corrected. Nike. Tick, tick. I was going to say TikTok, but yeah. But now, all in all, nice trainers, bro. And sis, yeah, without being done, out.
So just a quick recap of the trainers in general. I think I was too gassed when I was trying them on. The nice trainers, they're good. The leather is just it's lovely. It's lovely. This is good stuff right here. I like the little subtle things in trainers, like how this is black, but then there's little slits in here are white, and it's got like a kind of white mesh inside. Just the little things make me happy. Like, those are the things that make me get gassed over my swag. Really, I can't even lie to you. I like the fact that the trainers is in black. Like I said, mostly leather, but I don't know what I'll call this material, but it's nice and stretchy and soft. So, you know, it's probably to keep your feet comfy when you're tying your laces, to keep those places nice and, you know, soft, so it doesn't hurt. The inside of the trainer is like fully cushioned. Like, I don't know, I can show you this, but it's like just thick, and I think that's good again for whatever kind of weather. Summertime, I showed you guys. That's why I always try this trainers on in shorts, so that you know you can see it for summertime and winter time. But summertime, this is gonna be banging. They've got an old school vibe to them, and they look like tennis shoes. I'm just happy that the ticks, yeah, the night ticks are in black, so it kind of like 007 blend in, like James Bond kind of thing. Like 1 night tick right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, even on the tip of the trainers right here, 6. Come on now. I know they're Nikes, but I don't want everyone to know they're Nikes like that. Like, I love brands, yeah, but I like when they're subtle. I like when they're subtle, yeah, nice subtle branding. I don't want to be advertising for free, like, until my channel gets big and you start, you know, sending me craps. I ain't gonna be advertising for free, bruv. I'm just gonna say it right there. But anyways, man, these trainers are nice. Quick thing I realized about the trainers, like, off the bat here, they just look big. They're massive trainers, bro. Like, if you were to compare it with my Air Max, yeah, heel to toe, you see there's a difference. I don't know if the camera is really pulling it off, but I'm gonna try to place it here. Like, it's just bigger in general. It gives me tennis shoe vibes. But, you know, if you can rock it, you can rock it. And like I said, all my trainers are always suede. Like, I don't know how I always do it. I'm drawn to it. And obviously, this is what happens to it after a while. So, you know, it makes me feel like, you know, like, oh yeah, I need a new pair of trainers. And that's why I thought, yeah, I'm gonna start unboxing. Because
I have so much, I always have to get pair of trainers every single time because, you know, I don't know, I'm just addicted to trainers. Is there a problem? Yes. Can we fix it? Yes, we can. I'm busy from topic right now.
But yeah, nice trainers. They're a bit big, but obviously nice fit for me. I'm size 7 and size 8 sometimes for some small feet. But yeah, all in all, they're nice trainers, man. Like I said, it's nice, lovely. But like, just again, it's not for everyone. There's a certain way of dressing when you wear this. I don't know, you just gotta have your own swag. If you ain't got the sauce, you can't buy the sauce, you know what I'm saying? So again, like I always say, if you like that, cop that and enjoy.